So naturally, if you want health, he is going to give you. And if you spoil the health, also he will repair it. It is the sun which is important. And for that, arogyam bhaskarat ichet. In the meditation, in the day, you want to meditate means these four aspects. So one is to pray for the sun. You can get up early morning, because after 10 o'clock to look to the sun is very difficult. By just looking to these two suns here, the big lights, I started getting water in my eyes. The sun to look in the early morning. Are you getting sunlight early morning? Tall buildings and big roads. They say New York is at the moment very difficult place because of this corona. But I did not see any top of the building because I did not want to crack my neck. So tall, and all dark on the footpath, lights, day also. And all this, the sun let him allow to get the light, because the light is a vibration. As you know that after a particular distance from the earth, there is no light. Everything is dark. These are only waves. When they collide with the impurities of the earth, then the light comes. Otherwise there is no light. And depending on different waves and different impurities, we get different colors. So these are simply waves, and the colors are also waves, but because they interact through something, we see them red, white and whatever. So the idea is that sun is to be prayed. The first thing, I am telling you short today, and Om we sing, because that is a practical thing. But this you can do every day, morning and night. You must burn one candle. It should be a wax candle or a natural oil lamp. So ghee will be best, other oils of any natural substance, not the mineral oil, because it was under the earth. So he has not seen himself sun for a long time. The sun was condensed, you understand, that the all jungle, it is getting sun, and slowly it goes underground and become charcoal or become coal, and then it will become oil also. And for some million years, he has not seen any fire or light there. So we need to take any vegetable oil or maybe a pure ghee or a wax candle and burn it, and 5 minutes you look to the candle and see how your health changes. So, and not only health, because the second thing is saying that the wealth which is outside is also your health. It is directly proportional. Because if you tell somebody that how much you have invested in bonds or banks, and they said 5,000 crores, big amount. So don't you know that they are all liquidated, your money is gone, the heart attack comes. He said, so the heart is inside and the money is outside, that is other heart. So when it fails, the heart also fails. It is all infrastructure, outside is the body only. Therefore here in India or in our Indian system, we have Deepavali, a celebration of these lights, and that time we have one day for infrastructural acknowledgement and thanksgiving, that is Dhanatrayodasi, and one day is Lakshmi Pujan, which is the actual energy creation. So the idea is that this sun, you look in the form of a flame. You can look to the sun also, take the sunlight, and maybe then you need the second fire. Arogyam bhaskarat ichet dhanam ichet hutashanat. Hutashan means fire. And fire is the transforming. It is a intermediate energy which changes anything into it's a value addition you call? That is the value addition. So diesel is there, but if you put it in the cylinder and fire it there, then it starts becoming driving the motor car, and that is more expensive than the original oil. So the value addition means creation. So creation of what? This all infrastructure. So fire also you have to meditate. There are some people in the world, they give tremendous importance to the fire. So many people have forgotten, but totally not forgotten. You go anywhere in the temple also, Indians go and put fire, or they put candles, or other countries they may be doing something. Light is the main important thing. And therefore, please, if you want to make some meditation and get the advantages, then in the morning you burn candle and look, 5 minutes you must look. Keeping at a hand distance, keep here the candle and look from here. After 5 minutes is okay. Let the candle burn, you can go. In the night the same. So two things are over. Dhanamichet utashanat, jnanam maheshwarat ichet. Here comes this superiority. That please don't understand that you know everything in the world. You please understand that something you know. Our mistake happens. I became, suppose, an engineer. Or I am also a doctor. And I have done the studies, I know. But that doesn't mean that I know mining, I know civil construction, so many things I don't know. Ordinary cooking I don't know. And we say best food, and only because of food the body we are keeping up. Then she starts thinking now she knows everything. The friend of the husband comes and he discusses some business, she intervenes in between. Do you know anything? Have you learned this subject? Then the fight comes. So the idea is that if you understand what you are, at the moment, who am I, is the last question. We will go in the next. Here you first understand that, okay, I am very smart, I know something, I have studied, I have learned so many things, but what I don't know is infinite, and what I know is so much. On that, don't make so much. And therefore what? Therefore, be ready to learn from everybody. This is the process of master and disciple. People are worried about making a master. It is nothing to do with making a master means a person or somebody. You are rejecting the phenomenon of receiving something which you don't have. Ask, what is the problem? I always go wherever, somewhere, we know nowadays this, on the telephone, the roads are shown, everything. Still I say, Rok, stop the car. One man is going. Are we going to Alandi? Then he said, right sir, here, but take left turn. So the driver says, sir, but there is on my, what is it called? UPS? GPS. I have seen GPS, how it works. Many times. In Germany, I went to the top of one mountain and a big iron gate, and we followed the GPS. And there our GPS was telling you have reached your destination. Inside was a graveyard. So I said, why I should sleep in the graveyard when I am alive? The problem is that what is it? Why you are ashamed of asking something? A child can tell you something. Our granddaughter, 6th standard, I say, Sushmita, come here, do this. She will do. She knows more. She has day and night doing nothing. Nowadays, children are continuously, they know how to break the passwords also. She knows, I don't know. Why not ask her? She becomes my guru. Guru, Maheshwar. Maheshwar means what? The one who knows more than you is a Maheshwari.